There's a crisis quietly unfolding right now, one most people won't notice until it's already too late. You won't hear much about it on the news, and you definitely won't see companies talking about it. But if you're paying attention, the signs are everywhere: rising debt, stretched savings, inflated markets, and a cost of living growing faster than the average person can keep up with. The real danger isn't the crisis itself, it's being unprepared for it. Today, I want you to imagine something. The moment a financial storm hits, some people panic, but a few stay calm, focused, and ahead of everyone else. Why? Because they saw the warning signs early. They understood what others ignored. They took action when it mattered. That's exactly what I want for you. This isn't fear-mongering. It's awareness. It's learning to read the landscape so you don't get blindsided. It's about making decisions today that protect your future tomorrow. Because staying ahead isn't about luck. It's about clarity, strategy, and discipline. So stay with me. We're going to break down the crisis that no one wants you to know about, and more importantly, how you can stay 2 steps ahead while everyone else is still trying to figure out what went wrong. Let's begin. Most people only notice problems when it's already too late. That's why the first step to staying ahead is learning to spot the warning signs before they become full-blown crises. Rising prices, for example, aren't just numbers on a chart, they're indicators that everyday costs are quietly creeping up faster than most pay attention to. Growing debt levels aren't just statistics either. They reflect how vulnerable households and even entire economies are if something unexpected happens. Shrinking savings and reduced liquidity show that people are living paycheck to paycheck, leaving almost no margin for error. And then there's market overconfidence. When everyone is bullish and ignoring risks, that's often when the storm is forming behind the scenes. Recognizing these signs early gives you a chance to make calculated decisions instead of panicking later. It's about understanding the underlying trends, separating short-term noise from long-term patterns, and asking the right questions. Are prices inflating faster than wages? Are people taking on more debt than they can realistically repay? Are markets showing bubbles in certain sectors? Answering these questions allows you to position yourself ahead of the crowd. The goal isn't to predict the future perfectly, it's to develop awareness. Read the signals others overlook and take proactive steps. Those who notice the warning signs first are the ones who will not only survive the crisis, but emerge stronger and ready for opportunity. Once you've identified the warning signs, the next step is protecting yourself by building a strong financial foundation. This isn't about chasing trends or trying to time the market perfectly. It's about creating stability that can withstand any storm. Start with cash reserves. Having enough liquid savings to cover several months of expenses gives you breathing room when unexpected events hit. It reduces stress and gives you the flexibility to make smart choices instead of reactive ones. Cutting unnecessary expenses is equally important. Many people underestimate how small leaks in their budget can accumulate over time, leaving them vulnerable when the economy shifts. By carefully reviewing where your money goes, you can redirect funds toward savings, debt repayment, or investments that actually grow your wealth. Another key part of protection is reducing risk in your lifestyle and investments. Avoid over-leveraging, diversify income sources, and prioritize essentials over luxuries that won't provide long-term value. Building a stable structure isn't about limiting yourself. It's about creating a safety net that allows you to act confidently, not out of panic when crises arise. Ultimately, a strong financial base is the foundation for every other move you make. It gives you control, peace of mind, and the ability to stay ahead while others scramble. Stability is not passive. It's your most powerful tool for navigating uncertainty and positioning yourself for success. Once your financial base is secure, the next step is learning to invest intelligently while others panic. Most people react emotionally when uncertainty hits. They sell at the wrong time, buy into hype, or avoid opportunities entirely out of fear. Staying ahead requires a different mindset, focusing on value, long-term potential, and calculated risk rather than short-term noise. Look for assets that are undervalued or overlooked. When markets overreact, fear creates opportunities for those prepared to act. This doesn't mean being reckless, it means analyzing fundamentals, understanding market trends, and knowing where real value lies. Diversification is also crucial. Spreading investments across different sectors, asset classes, or income streams reduces exposure to sudden shocks and increases your chances of capturing growth no matter how the market swings. Equally important is consistency. Making small, strategic moves regularly often outperforms trying to hit big wins in volatile conditions. Avoid chasing hot tips or trends. Instead, stick to a disciplined strategy that balances growth and protection. Finally, patience is your secret weapon. While others react to every headline or panic at the first sign of trouble, you stay calm and act logically. Investing intelligently is not about timing the market perfectly. It's about positioning yourself to benefit from long-term opportunities, even when everyone else is frozen in fear. This mindset separates those who survive from those who thrive. The final key to staying ahead in any crisis is maintaining focus on your long-term strategy, rather than being distracted by every headline or market fluctuation. In today's world, Fear and noise are everywhere. News cycles change. By the hour, social media spreads panic in seconds, and the majority of people react impulsively. If you allow yourself to be swayed by every story, you'll make decisions based on emotion instead of logic, which can be costly. Consistency and discipline are the real advantages during uncertain times. By sticking to a well-thought-out plan, you build momentum and protect yourself from mistakes that come from knee-jerk reactions. This means having clear financial goals, regularly reviewing progress, and adjusting only when there's concrete evidence, not speculation. Avoid chasing trends or jumping into every opportunity that arises. Instead, focus on strategies that have a proven track record and align with your risk tolerance and long-term objectives. Long-term focus also means preparing for multiple scenarios. Crisis doesn't just affect finances, it can impact jobs, markets, or personal life. Anticipating potential challenges and planning for them keeps you ahead while others scramble. In the end, staying focused on the long term isn't passive, it's proactive. It's about creating a mindset that prioritizes clarity over chaos, patience over panic, and strategy over emotion. Those who master this skill don't just survive crises, they turn them into opportunities for growth.